Hello my friends, Dave here again, and in today's video I'll be talking about a new weight loss supplement that is taking the diet world by storm. You're probably tired of hearing of ways to lose weight, but stick with me my friends, you'll thank me after listening to what I'm about to share with you. Ever wondered how some people can eat what they want and stay skinny, yet despite your best efforts to eat healthy and exercise, you can't shed those pesky pounds? Don't blame yourself. It might not be your fault. According to new Ivy League research, those skinny folks are blessed with a naturally lean gut microbiome. And the good news is that now you can become naturally lean too, thanks to Leanbiome. In a recent study at the prestigious King's College London, involving 3,600 sets of twins, where one was lean and the other was overweight, scientists were amazed to find that the lean twins benefited from a rich and diverse gut microbiome full of lean bacteria species that helped suppress hunger, dampen cravings, fire up the metabolism, and reduce fat storage. On the other hand, the gut microbiome of the overweight twins was less diverse and was dominated by only a few species of fat bacteria that was shown to increase hunger, fuel uncontrollable cravings, freeze the metabolism, and increase fat storage. Leanbiome's unique and proprietary formula is the first in the world to combine 9 clinically researched lean bacteria species with Green Select Phytosome, a next-generation and caffeine-free green tea extract formulated with patented absorption-boosting phytosome technology. Together, this advanced ingredient blend helps to quickly reverse the bacterial imbalance in your gut microbiome. Leanbiome is only sold through their official website, which I have linked down below. So please, don't throw your money away by buying from other shady sites. And rest assured, if you are not completely satisfied, it comes with a 180-day full money-back guarantee. No questions asked. Hope you found my video insightful. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel, where I will continue sharing new and amazing products. Thank you for sticking with me, my friends. Until next time, ciao!